Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about beige living room decor, we aren't just talking about a color on a wall. We are talking about a sophisticated design philosophy rooted in serenity and timelessness. To decorate in beige means to embrace a new neutral that acts as a versatile canvas for your life. It represents a shift away from the cold, stark whites of the past decade towards something much warmer, more organic, and inherently inviting. Beige symbolizes a balance between minimalism and comfort, often associated with the quiet luxury or Japandi movements. It is a commitment to an aesthetic that doesn't scream for attention but instead provides a calm, cohesive backdrop that allows architectural details and high-quality textures to shine. The primary benefit of a beige living room is its incredible psychological impact on the inhabitants. Beige is a warm-toned neutral that promotes a sense of relaxation and security, making it the perfect choice for a space meant for unwinding after a long day. Beyond the mood, beige offers unparalleled flexibility. Because it is a neutral base, you can easily update your rooms, look for different seasons just by swapping out small accents, like pillows or candles, without ever needing to repaint. Furthermore, beige has a unique ability to maximize natural light. Unlike darker colors that absorb light, beige reflects it, making even small living rooms feel airier, larger, and more expensive. It is a future-proof design choice that won't feel dated as trends shift, ensuring your home remains stylish for years to come. To make a beige living room look truly stunning rather than flat, the secret lies in the layering of tones. You should avoid using just one shade of beige. Instead, mix shades of oatmeal, sand, biscuit, and taupe to create depth. Start with your largest surfaces, the walls and the sofa, and ensure they are slightly different shades to create a subtle contrast. Incorporate plenty of organic shapes, such as a curved coffee table or arched floor lamps, to break up the straight lines of the room. Lighting is also crucial. Use warm-toned bulbs to enhance the golden undertones of the beige palette, and use layered lighting with floor lamps and sconces to create shadows and highlights. By focusing on the harmony of different neutral shades rather than a perfect match, you create a space that feels curated, intentional, and designer-grade. The best elements for a successful beige living room are those that prioritize texture and natural materials. Since you aren't using bold colors to create interest, you must use touch and feel. Consider a chunky wool throw, a jute or sisal rug, and linen drapery to add tactile variety. Wood is a vital element here. Light oak or reclaimed wood brings an earthy warmth that complements beige perfectly. For furniture, look for buccal fabrics, which provide a trendy, soft texture that catches the light beautifully. Don't forget to add a grounding element, such as matte black hardware or a dark walnut picture frame, to provide a tiny bit of contrast so the room doesn't feel like it's floating. Finally, bringing in greenery through large-leafed plants, like a fiddle-leaf fig, adds a pop of natural color that breathes life into the neutral palette. Thank you so much for joining us today on Interior Decor Designs as we explored the beautiful, calming world of beige interiors. Transforming your home into a neutral sanctuary is one of the most rewarding design journeys you can take, offering you a space that truly feels like a breath of fresh air. Remember, the key to a perfect beige room isn't just the color, it's the feeling of warmth and the richness of the textures you choose to bring into your sanctuary. We hope these tips help you create a space that you absolutely love coming home to every single day. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more weekly home styling inspiration. We want to hear from you. Are you a fan of the all beige look? Or do you prefer a pop of color? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a transformation. And we will see you in the next video. Happy decorating!